Hello, this is the Electronic Dr. Puds, and I'm trying to answer some common questions about electronics. Today the question is, how do you analyze a voltage divider? A voltage divider is just a set of two resistors in series. So one resistor at the top, one resistor at the bottom, connected in series to a input voltage. Call the input voltage U in, and we call the resistors R1 and R2. Now the output voltage is connected typically to the lower resistor, to R2, and so it comes here. But I'm going to take these away first because we are interested in the current that is flowing through this voltage divider. You may remember that the resistance of two resistors in series is the sum of the two resistances. So the overall resistance Rs is R1 plus R2. You may also remember Ohm's law, which says that the current flowing through a resistor is equal to the voltage divided by the resistor. If we now insert Rs into this equation, we find that the current flowing through our voltage divider, the current I, is the input voltage U in divided by R1 plus R2. And now we can calculate the voltage over R2. So this is our output voltage, U out, and we can figure out U out, again using Ohm's law, is the current through resistor 2, which is I, times R2. If we now insert the I that we've calculated above, we find that this is equal to U in times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Typically, you divide this equation through U in now, and you specify the output voltage U out as a fraction of the input voltage U in, and that fraction is R2 divided by R1 plus R2. There's one important constraint that you have to keep in mind here. The assumption is that we do not have a current flowing through the output voltage, so the current here, I out, is assumed to be 0. If that is not 0, you need to do a more complicated analysis on the circuit. I hope this was useful, and please have a look at my other videos on other common electronic questions.